simple seascape today. Get some gloves on. And it should be suitable for beginners. If you like an impressionist, very loose style painting. So let's get started. So the colours I'm using today are acrylic paint on canvas, cerulean blue, ultramarine blue, black, cream, white, burnt sienna, burnt umber, yellow ochre, and cad yellow. If there's anything else I can think of, I'll let you know. So I start off by painting my whole canvas in a lovely blue-grey. And I like to add a little bit of, I mix all my colours, and I use ultramarine. I use just, for the blue, I use the cerulean blue, touch of black, touch of cream, and I also put in a little tiny bit of crimson, or I make a purple and put that in. So I like to have it that kind of colour. So I've added a little bit of colour to the sky, and I always use a mixture. I've used some cream and some burnt sienna and a little bit of the yellow ochre, I think. So I put that in the sky to start with, so it can be drying. And now I also put in a line of darker ultramarine blue mixed with black for the sea, in the background. And here I'm just putting in, mixing various sandy colours together. I use a lot of burnt sienna, burnt umber, and cream for that. So I'm starting to add a little bit of cloud into the sky, but I'm mixing the white with the that colour that I've got there, that sienna colour, and I'm just leaving it in places thicker. I've also just made that sea just a tad lighter. Here I'm going over with a thicker, I'm going over the thin layers with a slightly thicker layer, because my paintings are made up of lots and lots of layers. I'm doing the same thing here with the sand. I'm going over with a darker colour. Just mix the sienna and some cream and a little bit of a tiny bit of burnt umber on that. So I just keep building up and building up. I might go over again and again. I'm using a palette knife to put some white acrylic into that dark blue sea. So I'm just putting in some distant cliffs as well. Just use various colours till you get it looking how you want it. I think this is like a brownie colour. I think I ended up putting a green on top. I mixed a green with the ultramarine and the yellow ochre and put it on top. And now I can start to put highlights into that, a little bit more detail into that sky, and I just use the thicker paint over the thin. So I use my palette knife to put in a couple of little yachts in the far distance. And they don't all have to be upright. You can do the sail slightly at an angle, so it looks a little bit more like they are actually in the sea. So there we are, sweet little seascape in acrylics on canvas, suitable for beginners to have a go at. So that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you back here soon. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, lots of love from Cornwall.